here, kitten. Baby kitten, come here. You look for your food here. I give it to you back again. Here, Ming. Where are you going? Here. Where's the friend of mine? Here. There she is. And this is your food. I just give it to you and just leave it everywhere. No, eat it. Go eat your food. You look for the mama. I don't know where's your mama. You just came up with no mama. Here. You came out from your mama's booty. I joke. I don't know where's your mama. She just welcomed us when we arrived here, asking for food, and now she have a food. She just lick it and small bite and leave it again. When she's hungry, she'll go back and look for the food. There's ants eating. Hey, my little friend. What you doing? Where you going? Come. Oh, my little friend. Here is my little friend.
Hey! What are you doing?
Hey, friend. Eat your food. Where you going? Hello, friend. Where you going? Eat your food. I just gave it to you. You know that food is for our old man Finny. But you begging for food. If you're hungry, we give it to you. Go eat your food. Where you going? Look underneath. Have your food here. Oh, there. There's your food. Go eat. Eat your food. Eat your food. Just give your food. Eat it. The ants will come for it and eat all your food, and you'll be hungry later. Very good. Very good, girl. Eat your food. That's good. Okay. Eat your food, little young kitten. Mama's not here. Poor Mimi. I'll show you to my little boy that I found you here. But we cannot bring you there because we have an old man Finny always. Oh, a baby kitten. I'm sorry. Sorry. Oh, sorry. Okay, bye-bye for now. You have a house over there. I'll bring you there. The baby will look for you. Bye-bye. Let's go. Let's go. Eat your food. Eat your food. Eat your food. Eat your food. Bye-bye. I'll bring you to your house so someone will take care of you. I cannot bring you to our home. Our old man Finny will bite you and kill you. So I'll put you where you belong. I'll leave you there. Eat your food. Bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.